Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rike and I'm from Germany.
So, Rika, what does good food mean to you?
Good food? Ooh, that's a good question. Good food is for me, for example, what we are eating right now, like organic food, and yeah, it's actually the most important thing, organic food.
And in your hand, you're actually holding an organic banana.
Organic bananas, fair trade as well?
I think so. It's part of an Eosta campaign for Nature More, which is really bringing this idea of consumer to producer, a very simple but effective level, so that you can looking at the label of your banana, and you can put the code into the internet and you can see the video of the farm that produced it.
That's excellent.
What does that connection symbolize for you?
Well, I think it's a huge connection because then I know where it comes from and I think I can worship it more what I'm eating, you know? So if I know where it comes from, who planted the banana and everything, and that's really important, I think.
Great, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.